There. So this is how my nameplate looks right now.
Wow. And how are you going to decorate it now?
So with the two butterflies that I have made.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Amishi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. So,
Yeah.
what exactly are you going to teach us today?
Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make a nameplate that looks like this.
That's so cool. But before you start, Amishi, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Superb.
Yeah.
And are you excited to teach everybody?
Yes, I'm very excited.
So Amishi is really excited to teach all of you. You all better make it and send it, okay? Amishi would love to see what y'all have done. So make it, send it, and we are going to put it up on our platform. Okay, Amishi, tell us what all you need.
Okay, so for making this nameplate today, you will be needing the 16 by 30 centimeters cartridge sheet. You will be
Okay,
needing a 30 centimeter scale, a pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, a white oil pastel, an origami paper, watercolors, and you will also be needing a flat brush, water, and masking tape. Okay, so first you'll be needing your 16 by 30 centimeter cartridge sheet. And
okay,
now I'll be taking my scale, and from the border I'll be making a 1 centimeter border. So I have made my borders now, and this is what your page should be looking like. Now I'll
yes,
be taking my masking tape,
okay.
and I will be putting it along the edges like this.
Uh, okay, perfect. Okay, so you've not really put it outside the border, but you put it inside the border.
Along the border.
Okay, perfect.
Here. Make sure you put the masking tape very lightly so that your paper doesn't tear while you're removing it. This is how your masking tape should be put. And now I'm
Okay,
going to take my white oil pastel, and I'm gonna just be writing my name. That's
okay.
Amishi with an apostrophe, Amishi's room. So I'm gonna make it like this.
Okay. So all of you, y'all can put your own name with an apostrophe S and a room, or else if you want to write any other signage as well, say home sweet home or anything, y'all can also put that. And you have to do that with an oil pastel, exactly how Amishi is doing it.
Okay, yeah. So I have written Amishi's room now. And now I'm gonna be using my cake colors. In case you don't have them, you can use the oil pastels as well.
Okay,
So this is your poster color. Sorry. Yeah.
sure.
So now I'm gonna be taking the watercolors, and you can take any colors that you like. I'm gonna be taking red, orange, and yellow because those are the
Okay.
colors I like. So you can take any other color. Doing it inside the masking tape. As you can see, you can like kind of start seeing my name. Can be done with poster colors, but it'll be it won't be as good. The effect won't be seen that much. In case
Okay.
you don't
Okay.
have watercolors, that's when you need to use the poster colors. But
Okay.
if you have them, I suggest that you use this only. You're gonna mix it with a bit of orange so that it becomes slightly lighter than what it is right
Okay.
now. So you can just, if you have watercolors, you can just use the palette itself. Many people don't know this, but yeah, you can just use the palette itself. This time I'm going to be using a bit more of orange. So now that you're done with the orange, you're gonna add just a bit of the chrome yellow that's there. So
Super.
this is what your nameplate will be looking like right now after painting.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the borders. So for the borders, make sure you use the color that doesn't contrast that much. So I'm gonna be
Okay.
using pink. And for the
You're going to be
borders, if
using
you
pink.
don't have that much watercolors, you can use the poster paints because we're not gonna be using any oil pastels, so you can use the poster paints.
Okay.
So now, okay, there. So your border is done. By the time the border is drying, we're gonna keep this aside and we're gonna go on to making our decorations. We're gonna make a butterfly that looks something like this. So for this butterfly, we will be needing um, an origami paper.
Okay.
For this origami paper, you're gonna be folding it into vertically. So when you cut it out, when you cut this out, your sheet is gonna look something like this, a square. Okay, so
Okay.
that one
Okay.
part,
So we are
and then you get
we are
four
making this
squares.
with 1/4. Okay, 1/4 origami. All right. Go ahead.
Okay, so now we're gonna be folding this into half again. Now I'm gonna be folding it into a triangle, something like this. There, now that I've finished folding this is how your paper is gonna look.
Right. So we have one cross and one plus, right?
Yeah, with one cross and one plus.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be, you should look at this carefully because many people mess this up. You're gonna be
Okay.
pressing it from here. So you're gonna be pressing
Uh,
it like this and you're gonna
okay.
be holding it like this. Do the same. Now you've got
Perfect.
a perfect triangle.
Right.
Now you're gonna again be folding that triangle into half.
Okay.
There.
So can we fold it any side? Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, but yeah, you have to fold it into half like this. Then you'll
Okay.
be needing your scissor. This is a bit difficult. When you're cutting your curve, you might need an adult's help. So this is the open side which has the frills.
Right.
We're gonna be running it across the open side like this.
Edges. Only at the edges.
Only at the edges, so like this. And now I've cut a curve here. So now I'm gonna be opening my triangle. After cutting the
Okay.
curve, we're gonna get 4 flaps. 1,
Right.
2, 3, and 4. So
Yes.
you 2 flaps at each side. You do it like that. And now you're
Yes.
going to be taking 1 flap from each side and folding it across like this.
All right.
Is that right? So now our butterfly is partially done. Now we're going to be taking this corner and folding it in
Right.
half like this. So it's in the back side. Now we can see this small triangle on top. Just gonna be
Yes.
folding it like this. That's it. Our
Okay, so you
butterfly is
kind of
ready.
interlocked that, is it? You've interlocked that
Yeah, I've
inside?
interlocked it. Now I'm gonna be taking my masking tape. I'm gonna cut a very small part of it. We're just gonna be sticking it over here. Yeah, now our butterfly is ready. This is how your butterfly should be looking. I have made two of these butterflies now. You can
Okay.
make two of these for decorating your nameplate. Now I'm gonna be pulling, removing the masking tape. For this I'm gonna be using a scale so that I don't ruin my nameplate.
Okay.
So put the scale along the masking tape and pull it towards the scale. There. So this is how my nameplate looks right now.
Wow. And how are you going to decorate it now?
So with the two butterflies that I have made, I'm gonna stick them over here, one over here. I'm gonna
Yes.
stick one over here. Again, while sticking it, I'm gonna be using the masking tape to stick it like this. And once again, I'm gonna be sticking it. You can even punch this. You can punch two holes and attach strings and tie it to your door. But this is how I
Superb. So can you hold that for us so we can see your face as well as the nameplate? Yes. Thank you so much, Amishi. Thank you so much for this wonderful art. I hope
And
you enjoyed teaching everybody.
yes, I did. And thank you so much for giving me a chance to teach and make a nameplate.
You are most welcome. We are awed to see such a simple one and an easy one, and you did it with so much interest. And you actually gave us detailing as to how we can decorate it and all. I'm sure everybody is going to be doing that. So, viewers, please do that and do send it to us. That's another one, the one which Amishi had initially practiced. So, you see that all the children who come here, they also practice their art before coming here and they excel in that art for sure. Anyway, so I'm gonna see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. See you. Bye, Amishi. Thank you so much.
Bye.